friends, let's make potatoes and cauliflower curry. We need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and ginger and garlic, and then add some turmeric powder, and then add potatoes, and then fry the potatoes for 2 minutes. And now let's add the cauliflower. And after mixing well, let's add 1 medium size of onion, some salt to taste, some black pepper, and also add some garam masala. And now cover and cook for 5 minutes on a low heat. And now let's add 2 medium size of tomatoes, half cup of water, and cover and cook for 15 minutes on a low heat. So friends, our curry is ready. Keep smiling. Have a good day.